na dati mo estudyante sa Lyceum. She has very nice things to say about me, and I also have many nice things to say about him. Duterte, maluwag yung bunganga. Sabi niya, yung kapag akong presidente, isang paa ng NPA nasa Malacanang lang. No? Ready for coalition.
I will follow the pattern of socialism sa lugar natin. That is really, sinabi ko na sa in public, in every meeting, I said, I'm a socialist. And though I am not a member of the Communist Party, but I am a socialist. And I belong to the left. Alam na ng mga tao sa sabi ko, this will be the first time in the history of our country na merong leftist to president. Walang masama sa left. We are more tolerant to the doubts of government.
Mahalaga na sa electoral campaign pa lang, ininagay na ninyo sa agenda yung programa ng isang left president to be. At siyempre kapag kayo ay nasa posisyon na mas marami kayong magagawa, maipapatupan ng inyong inyong mission at vision.
Galit ako sa oligarch, pati mayayaman, they get the fat of the land. At yan ang problema ng ating gobyerno. And they allow it. I wish you well, all the best for you, makasama natin dyan. And hopefully, I will visit you before I will assume office. Kasi may the agenda.
Po, magaling. Mabuti po.
Kasi yung ang agenda sa...
Salamat ako sa pagkakataon ito na magkausap tayo at maraming salamat sa prospect na hindi magtatagal, magkita na tayo.
Also to prepare the agenda para pag nandito na, wala na masyadong debate or issues unresolved. Diyan na ho natin gawin ang agenda yung pagdating. The agenda ulit. Yun ang natutunan ko sa iyo, sir. Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Sige, sir.
Nasa kung makauwi ako kapag panalo si Digong, Mayor Digong Duterte.
Hoy, ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Hoy, ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, I'm left. I've always been left.
Duterte is a real villain, not a Filipino hero. He was and is a pro-communist, socialist, leftist leader who happened to be a president. He almost sold the Philippines to communist China,